Welcome to Royal Mechanica. Like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel at Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to see about trouser duct drafting method, where W is the width of main duct, W1 is width of main duct after passing through the branch duct, and W2 is the width of the branch duct. W11 and W22 are the new widths of the trouser duct. So we will see how to calculate new widths. After that we will be going for drafting. W is 32 inches. We have calculated this value in duct sizer, and W1 is 28 inches, W2 is 22 inches. So I have calculated everything in meters because my figure is in meters. And offset we have got is 0.4064, 0.3556 and 0.2794 for respective widths. So for so let us see what is W and how we are going to see here. As you can see in this double line diagram, W11 is width of this trouser duct, W22 is also the width of the trouser duct. This is for elbow and this is for trouser duct. Got. So we have to create W11 and W22 width, then only we can go for drafting. Okay, so let us see how to calculate W11 and W22. So first we have to find the value of x, which is calculated as W by W1 plus W2, W by W1 plus W2. I have calculated here 0.8128 divided by W1 plus W2, 0.81 divided by 0.8128 divided by 1.27. I have got the value of x as 0.64. So another formula is for calculating W11. This is the value of x. I have to calculate W11. W11 is W1 into x. X is 0.64 multiplied with the width 1, and W22 is, so this is the these are the new widths. We have to use these dimensions for drafting trouser duct. So let us see. First I'll go with offset of this, that is W2 is 0.2794. okay, W1 is 0.3556, W is 0.4064. so I will take offset of W as 0.4064. let us draw here 0.4064. offset we have to take 0.4064. trim command I have to use for deleting this. Now W1 is 0.3556 offset, so I will calculate here, that is offset 0.3556. Now coming on to branch duct, we'll delete this first. Trim command. Now for branch duct width is 0.2794, offset 0.2794. For time being you'll delete this. So W22 is the width of the trouser, one width of the trouser that is connected to the branch duct. So first I will create fillet. I will get fillet, that is F5 LET fillet. Here I will take radius as 0.2286, that is 9 inches. 9 inches. Okay. I have taken 9 inches fillet 86. Offset we have to take W22 0.3576. 0.3576. As you can see, W22 is 0.3576 is W22 width of this elbow. Offset we have to take 0.3576. Enter. 0.3576. Okay. You have to select object to offset and select it like this. See here. Now take line command and join like this. Again take line command and join like this. Got? So we will create here a reducer. So for creating reducer, what you have to do is you have to take 1 feet below this, the length of the reducer. So I will take offset 0.3048, that is 1 feet. Create like this, extend, then take line command like this. Like this we have created. Now for creating this, I'll delete this line. For creating here, so this is W22, this is W22, okay, width of the trouser, one width of the trouser. Now we have to take another width now, so L, enter you have to take, and center of this you have to take and extend here up to here. Now take again L command, from here to here you can take. We will trim this. Okay. Now extend this upper part. Like this. Now what you have to do is take another 1 feet here, offset 0.3048. 1 feet is 0.3048 meter. So I'll take 1 feet here. After 1 feet only we have to draw the reducer duct. Okay. Again 1 feet I will take here. Here we are going to draw the trouser duct. So let us see. So now you have to see, this is W22, this is W11. Okay. This is W22 and this is W11. Again it will be W1. So we have to see the value of W1 first. W1 is 0, that is 0.7112 meter and offset is 0.3556. So 0.7112 meter we will directly take that. 0.7112. 0.7112. Okay. Now take line command. Again line command. So we have drawn here a reducer. Command you have to take. See here like this.